Good little man.
Yeah. Like I just checked it. He didn't tell me that he needed it. I just checked it. And like yesterday, he had like 4 accidents. I was going, what? You don't have accidents? Like, what's going on here? But then I thought what we were doing, and it was stuff that he probably just didn't want to exercise. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Cool.